I'm going to clean coffee maker. It's very easy to clean. I have a half pot regular water, and I'm going to use distilled white vinegar right here, half. So I'm going to repeat twice actually. So I put it to full right here, already there. Now I'm going to press, so it will, I'm going to repeat twice this one, then I'm going to add twice regular water, just plain water, to again drain that all. So tomorrow morning when I'm going to make coffee, the coffee aroma will be exactly like a natural flavor. So easy.